Hello everyone, today is 14th February 2021 and the time right now is 3 p.m. The temperature is minus 22 degrees Celsius, but it feels like minus 32 degrees Celsius. I just start my walk from the Riverfront Avenue and the 4th Street Southeast. Today is a very sunny and beautiful weather, but it's extreme cold again. It's pretty windy today. And happy Valentine's Day, everyone. People are very health concerns, even though it's extreme cold, but they preference their health. Here is some Chinook blast work by Calgary's local artist. If you come at the night, it will be a beautiful light, but in the daytime you can see the art, but if you come at the night time you can see a beautiful light show with this art. I hope you guys enjoy my last night video about the Calgary Chinook blast. Look at the river. The smoke comes from the river because of the weather is extreme cold. You can see the East Village community here. Those beautiful condos, high-rise condos. Choose this walk today because I feel so bored walking in the city. That's why I need some nature touch walk. That's why I choose the road, and you can see the beauty of Calgary too. Oh, it's windy. There is an e-bike store. So I'm going towards the St. Patrick Island How many of you know that Calgary has a small island? Yeah, the name of the island is St. Patrick Island. So St. Patrick Island is very beautiful even though it's winter time and summertime. Summertime, the island has a lot of activity. The island has hi. The island has the small beach and the playground and lot of hiking trail and fishing spot. I posted a video last week about the winter time in the island. You can check out also. It looks so beautiful in the winter time. So I'm looking for the way out from here, from the parking lot. Yeah, it's a lot of snow. Oh. So it's just beside the Calgary Downtown. You can hear the sound of the CP rail. It's a St. Patrick Bridge, so we can go the island to pass over the bridge. From here, it's a beautiful scenery. Like you can enjoy the city life and the nature also. Oh, it's very windy today. Did you hear the sound of the water and ice? It's so magical. So if you live in Calgary and if you want to go for a walk for refreshment, I would definitely recommend this walk and refresh yourself. Just look at the water and the ice. Oh, and just beside it, east of Calgary. And that is Memorial Drive. subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. And if you like my vlog, hit the like button also. Maybe I cannot cover the island because it's very windy and extreme cold. There is a help center if you are in trouble. So here it is. Just look at the river. All the smokes come from the river. It looks so magical. The Calgary Tower. You can see the downtown skyline from this island too. It's a very refreshing walk for me. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my walk here. Stay warm and have a nice weekend, everyone.